welcome to another CV Linens video. My name is Myra. Today I'll be showing you guys quickly how you can hide your table skirt clips. Let's go ahead and get started. Begin by adding Velcro command strips 1 foot apart from each other around the table. You'll want to make sure that the near corners of the table you add strips closer than a foot apart. Next, you'll follow the strips and attach your skirt. Lastly, you'll want to steam your skirt to create an exceptional finished look. This method is recommended to be used on any table that doesn't require a tablecloth. Second method, place your iron tablecloth over your table, then add a command strip to the top edge of the Velcro table clip and cut off any excess length. You will then add the clips to the table spaced out 1 foot apart from each other. We recommend using 1 table clip per foot of your skirt. Next, you will attach your skirt to the Velcro clip. Then grab the edge of your sash and place it over the command strip. Make sure that in between every clip your sash drapes loose. Lastly, gather the material between each clip and pin it to the skirt using your choice of pin.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. You can go ahead and shop our skirt selections and our table clips and sashes on our website at cvlinens.com. Also, don't forget to stop by our social platforms to get some more of inspiration and check out some of our latest videos. Thank you guys again so much, and we'll see you in the next one.